how to add Wendy's gift card to app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add Wendy's gift card to the app. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now in order to add or redeem the Wendy's gift card on the application is quite simple. What you have to do is you can simply open the application and log into the account or sign into the account, right? Once you're signed in, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen, you'll find the accounts option. You want to head into the accounts option at the bottom of your screen. Under it, you'll find the option that says gift card or add a gift card. So you want to select the particular option, add gift card or the gift card that shows up there. And you'll have to enter in your gift card details, the gift card number, and then the PIN number, and you are good to go. So this way you can add the Wendy's gift card to the application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.